For starting an SEO project, an SEO plan is the most important part, as we all know. SEO, a proper SEO plan is a backbone of any SEO campaign, and it's must for any kind of project or any website without any exception. So, as I have already told in my previous videos, it should be very clear. The process should be very clear from scratch till the client delivery. So, if we want to achieve the top ranking positions or to get more better results than we are getting now, we need to focus. So focus in terms of we need to have a very clear strategy, and SEO plan is the most important part to have a clean strategy. And I can we will learn more about SEO plan. So in this video, I will also create an SEO plan for one website. Uh, I have 10 keywords, and for 10 keywords, I will prepare the SEO plan. And we can also modify that plan according to the number of keywords. And the second thing, to get the better results in SEO, is the lack of the knowledge. So let's make a standard for ourselves. If we are not sure that we can provide the better results to the clients, do not accept that project. Or if you are accepting that project, take the help of any other professional who have much experience than I have. So what it will do, you will able to deliver the desired result for the clients. As we all know what's happening and what was happening before the corona is that clients are paying money to the freelancers, to the companies, and they are not getting anything done. It's story everywhere in the companies also. So uh, in the freelancer level or in the company level, if we are accepting the projects, then we need to be very clear in our mind what our strategy will be. And my suggestion is to not focus on the money rather than focus on the results, because there are numerous projects in the market. So if we provide good result to one client, then definitely he will share with others, and it will help our business. We There are chances of getting more projects, but it's not all about the projects. It's also about the client reviews, and I have seen many clients, they are paying for years and they are not getting anything done, means any significant thing. In the SEO, we all know that 2 to 4 months we can deliver the results. It also depends upon the number of keywords, type of keywords, competition on keywords, and searches on the keywords. So before accepting any project, it's my suggestion which I am following, that give yourself time, study about the project, and talk to client about his expectations. Once you're sure you can do this, or contact someone who has the similar experience, but maybe he has done something um, about the project before for any other client and for any other project. So it will help you to grow stronger in the field of digital marketing. So let's start. In this video, we are going to create an SEO plan for 10 keywords project, and we will create the SEO plan from the scratch in the Excel sheet, and you can also create that plan for any kind of clients, and you can modify that SEO plan according to your needs. Uh, so let's start. So let's start. It's our Excel sheet. So first thing we need to clear all the cells and this thing. We are going to merge and SEO plan. You can give any type of color as you want. So I'm assuming that I'm starting the project from the scratch. Alright, so I'm creating the project for the first month. So activities, first activity would be website analysis, keyword research, Google Analytics and Search Console setup. Third activity would be competitor research. Content optimization, it will include every month, because if you are going to submit content, put going to put the content in our own website or going to post content in articles or blog. Content will be needed. So it's our content optimization, image optimization. That would be sufficient for the first month. We can include one. Keyword research and mapping. So these are sufficient activities for the first month for on phase. Now off phase. Social bookmarking. As I am assuming I have the project of 10 keywords. So 10 keywords means 25 bookmarkings. 25 bookmarking means 25 should be live at the time of client reporting. Don't overdo it. It won't provide any benefit. Let's next is local listing or classifieds. 5 is sufficient. Image submissions. Look, here is image optimization and there is image submission. These two are different activities. One is for on page and second is for off page. Suppose if I'm doing 5 submissions, or suppose if I'm doing 20 image submissions in first month, then need you need to we all need to be careful that we don't post image submissions in next month, because there are not too many websites for image submissions which also provides us the link. So next month we can post something else. Okay, for the first month the image submissions, local listing or classifieds, bookmarkings, and blog or article. So blog or article posting, you need content. So content, you can count it under the content optimization. Content optimization include the on-page content as well as off-page content. And 11th is search engine submission. You can do as much you want. So I'm putting a 10. And one last point is social profiles data. So social profile data will include their login details, ask the client about the login details, or if client don't have any, then create one. And here in status you are going to put pending. So it's the simplest. Do not do over do not overdo the activities, but it might put negative effect, especially off page activities. These activities for the 10 keywords project is fine. Client does not ask for the ranking itself in first month. So clearly uh, tell the client that it normally take 2 to 4 months to get ranking positions, but we can show the improvements every month. So it's fine. Rename it SEO plan. Save it. We are going to save it. All right. I'm going to save it in desktop. Now you can add project logo here itself if you want to put a logo, but it's fine. Just make sure to do the activities that will benefit the project. That's the only main thing. So thanks for watching the video, and if you need the SEO plan, let me know. I will put the link in the description. So thank you.